today's short talk, we're going to talk about maintenance plans, and we're going to construct a very basic maintenance plan. The most basic you can do, the quickest you can do, the absolute bare minimum that you should do to maintain and properly administer SQL Server. So log into your SQL Server, drill down to maintenance plans. This is under management, maintenance plans. Right click, and in this case we're going to use the wizard. So your wizard comes up. We're just going to go next. We're going to just call this maintenance plan, or maybe daily maintenance plan. We'll schedule it later. We're not going to click on the schedule here because it's kind of scrunched. And then we're going to pick the things that we absolutely need. So we're going to need reorganize index, which is reorganizing the indexes, maintaining the indexes without dropping them and rebuilding them. Rebuilding indexes takes a little bit longer, and reorganize is a little bit safer. Update statistics. Statistics are data about the data or metadata in your tables. It says if this is a large table or a small table, allows SQL Server to make important decisions in regard to queries to order to optimize your queries. We're going to do a full backup versus a differential or transaction log. Those are covered later in a different section. And then we're going to do a maintenance cleanup task, which allows us to delete our backups. We're going to click next, and the next screen is going to be kind of scrunched up because I'm on a VM. The order is fine. And this particular screen is kind of scrunched up because I'm on a VM. So we're just going to click on all databases and go OK. And again, all databases and go OK. Through each one of these, just so that we can actually get the wizard to populate the screen so we can see it in the console window. So after we've gone to the wizard, we're going to right click and go refresh, and then we can see our daily maintenance plan, and we're going to go modify. This allows me to see our maintenance plan and how it's laid out and drill down into the details. Alright, so first of all we're going to click on this small calendar icon. That allows us to schedule this, and we're going to schedule it for daily, and we're going to schedule it for 3 a.m. each day. Click OK. Then we are going to say reorganize index, and here are the settings if we double click on this. So here's where we're going to use our local server connection. That's fine. We're going to do all databases. You can even, this will manage the master model or system databases. There's absolutely no reason we should exclude those. The defaults are fine for just about most every instance. We're going to go OK. Update statistics, same thing, local connection, all databases. Every database needs their statistics updated, so you should absolutely include master model MSDB. Go OK. Full backups. This allows us to take a full backup of the server. We need to click on the destination. You can click on this folder, this ... right here, and drill down to your path. I like to specify a folder called SQL Server Backup Files, and click OK. You should also have backup files go to a drive that your SQL Server instance is not on, but this is a test instance, so this is OK. Backup file extension, you notice it's just BAK, which stands for backup, but there's no dot BAK, so it's just the extension, not the dot and then the extension. So we're going to go OK. The other option we can pick is set backup compression. It's always a good idea to compress the backup, save on disk space, and allow it to put the backup on the disk quicker. Maintenance task cleanup, we're going to double click this and say we're going to delete our backup files, and we're going to specify the exact same folder where our backup files are. So we're saying the backup files are in this folder, and this is the extension of BAK. And then you can tell it, I'm going to keep keep these for one week, which should be fine. Now, you must hit the save button up here. Make sure you save, because if you exit before you save, it will not maintain your settings. And then we're just going to double check. So yep, every day at 3 a.m. So then we can actually refresh the jobs and see if it created a job to represent our maintenance plan. So here is daily maintenance plan and subplan 1. Yep, so we have our steps, our schedules. You can set alerts and notifications. For example, you can set the email if the job fails, or if it succeeds, or it just finishes, to your liking. All right, I think that does it. Thank you very much for watching.